Tarpon Springs is ranked number 16 in Hurricane City's top 50 most impacted by tropical systems. The city gets most impacts from the Gulf of Mexico, but also gets brushed and hit by systems coming from the Atlantic, and is vulnerable to all 6 months of hurricane season. It's important to note that only 40% of the systems are at hurricane strength when they impact Tarpon Springs. Since 1871, 14 hurricanes have impacted the city where the hurricane-force wind field either fully or partially passed over. In this video, the focus is only on the most intense or significant hurricanes to impact Tarpon Springs. In 1896, a major hurricane with 120-mile-per-hour winds passed just west, but the hurricane-force wind field still impacted the city. In 1921, the eye of a major hurricane passed over Tarpon Springs with 115-mile-per-hour winds coming in from the west-southwest. A 1-hour calm was reported as the eye passed over. The pressure was 953 millibars. The area had 9 inches of rain and a 10.5-foot storm surge causing heavy damage. This simulation from the National Weather Service in Tampa shows both satellite and radar of what most likely happened. 1950, Hurricane Easy hits on September 5th with 125-mile-per-hour winds from the west. Easy killed 3 as it made 2 loops north of the area, as the closest approach to Tarpon Springs was just 10 miles to the west. Many automobiles after the hurricane had a mysterious spotted pattern on the paint. Studies concluded that the air pockets under the paint expanded due to the low pressure, and they later disappeared. 1985, Hurricane Elena approaches with 110-mile-per-hour winds after being major earlier. The system brushes while looping in the Gulf just 66 miles to the west of Tarpon Springs, causing some coastal flooding here. Elena gave the area fits as there was uncertainty as to how far east she would travel, but she slowly turned away from the area, sparing Tarpon Springs. The last direct impacts were in 2017 as Hurricane Irma passed just east as a Category 1 hurricane, giving the area gusts to 64 knots. And in 2024, Hurricane Milton hits just south of Tampa, brushing Tarpon Springs.